Hello everybody. Today I thought I would share a little project I've been working on. This is going to be an obstacle avoidance robot. So far I have everything working on it as far as I can tell. I don't have any motors yet, so that's the last piece that I need to get going and really get this thing in motion. Still waiting for those. But everything else seems working. The code is showing good results. Sensors are moving around like they're supposed to, all that good stuff. Um, so basically what I got here is an Arduino Uno. This one specifically is a Funduino. It's an imitation board. So far I haven't had any issues with it being an imitation, so at half the price, I do recommend it. I'm a beginner to all of this, so I decided to go half the price just in case I blew something out and destroyed the board. It wasn't going to be as big of a deal as if I would have paid the full price of a authentic Arduino. And honestly, everything seems to be working fine. So if you're a beginner, you want to test something out, but you're a little afraid that you're going to destroy something after spending that money, go ahead, get an imitation one. It works well. Um, Other items I've purchased for this is the ultrasonic sensor up front. It's the HCSR04. I believe I got that right there. Um, the only disadvantage compared to the ones that the Arduino kind of startup project guide talks about is this is a 4-pin sensor, whereas the one in the Arduino projects that's set up to teach you is a 3-pin sensor. Um, so you do have to download a different library and set that up. It's on the Arduino site. It's very easy to get into and use. It's of course a free download, open sourced. Um, so that was I guess one of my bigger hurdles is to figure that out and get that working with the other code that I've got. Um, and then a little chippy sent servo down there, micro servo to get things moving around. Again, kind of went all low budget items just because I'm so new with this. But anyways, let's get kind of showing what it does. Right now, the green light is signifying that it's being sent the code to move forward. So green light, forward motion. Um, Once it comes up to an object, it stops, goes in reverse, looks around, chooses the path, turns towards it, and goes on. Um, so again, I'll put my hand in front and kind of block the side, so it comes to a corner. And as you see, the light towards me turned on, meaning that it'll turn away from that corner and then move forward again. If it comes up to another object and backs up, looks around, looks for the best path to take, chooses the side, turns, and then moves forward again. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Got a little integrated circuit there. It's not hooked up to anything right now, but that is a vital part of this project. I'm going with some DC motors once I get them. Geared DC motors, which I've read is extremely important. You have to have the ones that are geared because there's not enough torque basically in a standard DC motor to get the robot moving. And that little integrated circuit down inside there is an H-bridge. So it's set up so I can control via the Arduino 2 separate motors independently and control them forward and reverse, all with code. So I don't have to worry about any switches or anything else basically. Just getting the proper code in place. So once I get the motor set up, get them all installed, I'll do another video. I will also provide the full download of the code that I have set up and using and a parts list, so anybody that wants to replicate this project will be free to do so. Until then, I hope you enjoyed watching this and seeing my kind of little Frankenstein robot here. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave a comment, ask questions. Give me a thumbs up if you like the project that I'm doing so far, if you want to see more. And like I said, I'm a beginner, so any of the questions I'll answer from a beginner's standpoint and give you some fresh knowledge of what I've found and give you any type of links to sites and stuff like that if I feel it'll help you out. So yeah, thank you for watching.